First, we go to the introduction of logistic management in supply chain management. What is logistic? Logistic is the process of moving, storing, and distributing goods from when they are first produced to their final delivery. This is a key part of the entire supply chain management process. It focuses closely on developing strategies to streamline, coordinate, and manage the supply chain management process to ensure products are transported and delivered in smooth, cost-effective, and efficient way. As we can see from here, logistic is about the when the product is firstly produced to the final delivery to end user. Also, logistic is the main part of the entire supply chain management, which is it is important process for logistic for the goods to transfer smoothly and in cost effective way, also smooth to make sure the customer is satisfied with the delivery of the goods. Next is key activities in logistic management. This is five important things which is the key in the logistic management. First is customer service, second is demand and forecasting planning, third is transportation and logistic, fourth inventory management and order process, including material handling and packaging. Lastly, we have the warehousing.
Customer service in logistics is the activity, service, action are provided, acting as added value. The aim is to bring more value than the core service that customer needs and bring the most satisfaction to customer. The businesses or business organization today offer more service to customer beside their main product. Number two, demand and forecasting. Demand planning and forecasting is simply how you formulate a plan to strike a balance between how much stock you have, how much stock customer want, and how to get it to them efficiently. So you never have more than you need, or more importantly, never run out and customer end up looking elsewhere.
Next key activity in logistic management is supply chains management, which is transportation. What is transportation? Transportation is the backbone of logistics. It involves the movement of goods and services from one point to another. The modes of transportation can be varied depending on the nature of the product, the distance, and the speed required. Common modes of transportation includes road, rail, air, and sea. Effective transportation planning is critical to ensure timely delivery of goods and services while minimizing costs. What can I say is transportation is the one of the main key activities in logistics, which is without transportation, the goods cannot move from one point to another place. Also, to make sure the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the end user is well good. Also, there is a four types of modes of transportation, which is the road, rail, air, and sea. Any distributor can use any of the modes of transportation depending on what type of their product, the distance, and the speed required for their goods. Also, effective transportation also make sure time delivery of the product to the end user is a good way. Based on this picture, we can see that raw material is moved and storage in a warehouse to the manufacturing, and the raw material we produce in the manufacturer in the factory. After the product is well manufactured, they will move to the retail store or consumer. The customer will buy the product at the store, and the customer can use the product well.
Inventory management. Inventory management involves the monitoring of stock level and ensuring that the right products are available at the right time. It is critical to ensure that inventory levels are optimized to prevent stockouts or overstocking. Effective inventory management can help reduce costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. Order processes. Order processing involves the receipt, processing, and fulfillment of customer orders. It is critical to ensure that orders are processed accurately and efficiently to meet customer expectations. Order processing can be automated or manual and can involve various stages such as order entry, order verification, picking, packing, and shipping. 7 step of inventory management process. 1. Purchase order. 2. Receiving goods in the warehouse. 3. Stocking product in the warehouse. 4. Accepting an order from customer. 5. The customer fulfillment process. 6. Shipping on an order. 7. Return and reimbursement. Order management process flow. Order place. Order management system. Customer data entry. Payment processing. Payment method and terms. Discount and promotional codes. Order fulfillment. Inventory SKU management. Picking and packing. Shipping delivery. Carrier control. Omni-channel process. Customer experience follow-up. Customer order tracking. Return and refund. Measure and analysis process. Track performance metric and data analysis.
Material handling and packaging. Material handling, often called material movement, is the short-range movement of materials from manufacturing all the way to distribution. The goods may go through a system of transportation, the storage, and then distributions. Material handling happens in the shipping and delivery stage throughout the supply chain, packaging, and moving goods in pallet and other units. Next, packaging. Packaging is the act of wrapping up a packaged good to protect the environment or the package well itself, to make it easier to portion the packaged good for productions or use and to store and market it. The packaging is made up of packaging material and packaging tools, making it possible to package, seal, and prepare for shipping. Packaging is the result of a packaging process. See also sorter packaging, which starts with the design of the packaging and ends when everything is put together. This whole process is called a packaging system. Material handling equipment selections. Goal in equipment selections. Properly match. First, the material characteristic. Second, the movement requirements. Third, the equipment capabilities and requirements. Other factors to be considered include labor skill available, capital available, return on investment, expected life of installations. Next is the packaging system. First, raw material. Second, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, and quaternary. Warehousing. Warehousing involves the storage of goods and material before they are transported to their final destinations. It is critical to ensure that goods are stored in the right conditions to prevent damage, theft, or spoilage. Warehouse can be owned by business or third-party logistic providers. They can be public or private and can be automated or manual.